I want to talk about my hair because for the past 2 years, we've been struggling. I was doing well for a while, and then I installed these locks and I kept them in for too long, and that's when it started going downhill. Hey friends, Paola here. Today I want to talk about my hair. I want to talk about my hair because for the past 2 years, we've been struggling. We have been struggling. It was thriving for a while throughout my pregnancy with Shaka. We were doing great. The edges were intact. My hair was as full as it had ever been. And I am the kind of person who has really thin hair. And by thin hair, I mean I have the thin strands and I don't have the density that I wish I had. So not only do I have low density, I have thin strands and I have very kinky hair. And so I was doing well for a while, and then I installed these locks and I kept them in for too long, and that's when it started going downhill. By the time I removed them, I had some patches in my hair, I had some bald spots, and my hairline was like pretty much gone. Not really from the tension from those locks, but also from just nursing Shaka, my second child. And so it took me a while to kind of like understand what to do with my hair, and for a while I contemplating just kind of shaving it all off. And the only reason I didn't, because I have done that in the past, was because of my hairline. If I shaved it off, I would need to go completely bald because the hairline was just, it was just so obvious. So then I've gotten a few trims and I decided to wear my hair in back buns. I wash my hair, I apply either a mousse or a gel right out of the shower, and I would put it back with one of these Fanm Djanm scrunchies. So I'm currently wearing one right now. And that whole process takes me under an hour, even if I do a mask or a deep conditioning session. Because again, I have very low density hair, so it's very easy for me to comb through and pull my hair back, which is what I've been doing. And the other reasons I love pulling my hair back is because it's easy for me to play with half wigs and different I guess hair pieces that really add to my look. I like a natural look. I like for my hair texture to blend if I'm adding anything. So generally I would play with braids, or I would play with afro textured hair, and if I wanted to add anything to my hair. So these are the two hair pieces I've been playing with recently that a few of you have commented on, and I kind of felt like it was time to do some kind of informative video on why I bought them. So this is this one. I wore it either on the back of my hair or I wore it on top of my head. I've worn it with headbands, without any hair accessories, but mostly headbands and head wraps. And I've also been playing with this one, and this one is a half wig, and so I always add a headband to this one. So I thought we would try these two on, and we would also, not only would we try them on, we would style them with different Fanm Djanm hair accessories. Let's go. All right, so let's talk about this hairpiece. I call it a hairpiece because I think it's supposed to be a ponytail. Like it's supposed to be like a ponytail puff. But in my opinion, it is very dense, and so I wear it almost like a half wig. So I don't just like stick it in the back as a ponytail and like stretch it. I wear it fully like a half wig because to me that looks more natural. So I'm going to put this on right now based on how my hair is. And my hair is pretty low, so when I want to wear it up, I'll bring my bun up, and when I want to wear it low, I'll bring my bun low. So from here, I'll take this clip right here, I'll take it, and then I'll kind of like hook it right where, like maybe an inch behind where my part ends, and then I'll take the other clip. I'll make sure to clip the hair underneath the bun, and then I'll pull the string. Once I pull the string, I want to make sure I don't pull it too much because I don't like getting headaches. I don't like feeling uncomfortable throughout the day, and I want it to last me hours, if not the whole day. And then so that's how it looks already. So that looks great. So to start with, we're going to play with one of these satin tie headbands. So this is just like a solid regular cotton headband, and we have the satin on this side. Just like put it right where the part ends, and then I'll tie a knot. And then if you can see it, it gives a very retro look. It's very cute. And then I'll go ahead and kind of like zhuzh it around. Sometimes if it's windy, I'll kind of like pin the sides with a couple of hairpins, but generally that's what I do. I go and I mold and I shape it up, and then that's about it. Let's move on to the straighter, longer piece. So same deal. Again, I like low maintenance, and I like being able to take this off and just put my satin scarf on when I get home at night. I don't know how to braid, so I can't have different hair pieces that allow braiding. I just leave my bun end with my scrunchie, and then I go in and stick this one in. It's meant to be more secure, and I'll make sure to adjust this half wig and make sure that the fourth clip goes under my bun, and you can already see how great that looks. So this is what the wig looks like by itself. It looks very natural. It really blends with my hair. I love it. It looks like my hair texture blown out, which is one of my favorite features about it. But everyone knows what a half wig band looks like, so I like to conceal that with some of our products. So one of my favorite products are these standard ruched headbands, and this one is made with Dupioni silk. So we're going to try just a black one, just because we don't always need color, we don't always need prints. We're just looking for something to quickly elevate the hair and to make it ours. So I'll go in and place this ruche right there and kind of conceal the band underneath this. I like the flexibility of this particular band. It's pretty thin, so you can kind of like tuck it underneath the headband. And what I'll do is kind of like play around. Okay, so we've adjusted it, and what do you think? Another headband that I like to wear with this half wig is our twisted headband model. So these are like a half turban style. This is what the back looks like. It's a pretty wide back because it allows you to open the sides up for more coverage. So let's go ahead and try the silver on. So I'll go ahead and remove this ruched, and then we'll add the silver just for fun. Okay. I like to pull the headband all the way down to my neck and then bring it up. And that will give you just kind of like more control, and then your hair won't be all messed up. So this is what it looks like. Isn't that so cute? Get a side view. Look at this. So for a more casual look with this, like let's say you are running errands and you still feel the need to add this on, and you have on your athleisure or your denim, this is what those tie headbands are for. They're also perfect for students. If you have, you know, your hair, whether it's a short, tiny afro, whatever it is, you can just add these and just for a little flare, or to just keep your hair out of your face. How cute is this? Do you see? Love. I think this concludes, oh, one more. We're gonna do one more. I wanna show you the stretch knit version of the twisted headband right here. That's for another casual outing. And these are just so so comfortable. As you can see, I just love how you can just kind of like open the sides. And here we go. So this concludes our wig, hairpiece, headband try-on. And let me know if you'd like to see more of this type of video on our channel. Your feedback is so valuable. Your support is, obviously without you wouldn't be anywhere. So please share with your friends, enter the giveaway, and give us your feedback. Let us know what else you'd like to see, and we will be back. We will listen, promise. See you soon, and thanks for watching.